Hi and welcome to this training video for the Advanced Inventory functionality. In the video, we will see how to use the Advanced Inventory feature and make it part of your ordering habits. The Advanced Inventory function allows you to order the quantities needed to fill your product shelves with all your orders. First, we must go to the catalog where we want to place our order. The Advanced Inventory feature can be turned on and off using the Inventory button at the top right of the product list. Once activated, you will be able to see three fields: Inventory, Suggested, and Ordered. But first, you need to do a small setup by clicking on the list icon next to the product's price. By clicking on the icon, you have access to your purchase history for this product and also the target inventory for the next delivery. The target inventory is how many of this product you want to see on your shelves once you receive your delivery. For example, if you have a maximum of 12 coffee cans that can fit in your storage space, you write 12 here and the system will understand that you want to have a specific amount to reach your maximum capacity depending on your current stock. Remember to save before leaving this section. Then, in the inventory field, you write the quantity that you currently have in stock when you place your order. Once the information is entered, the system will suggest the quantity to order in order to reach your target inventory. By clicking on the arrows, the suggested quantity will be ordered and will go directly into your shopping cart. In this example here, we have a target inventory of 12 on our shelves. When we placed our order, we had 4 in store. So we want to receive 8 of this product during the next delivery to fill our inventory. You can do this with all of your recurring products to make your online ordering experience faster and easier. Remember to click Inventory again to remove the Advanced Inventory option if you want to place a conventional order. This concludes this training video on the Advanced Inventory function. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact support at support@wego.trade. Thank you and have a nice day.